Hey everybody, I am testing out Screencast-O-Matic and hoping to help somebody at the same time. You're looking at my Schoology courses and you're like, wow, look at that. They're in order. Obviously, I'm not going to go through all this right now of how I changed this. What I discovered was how to rearrange them. I don't know if anybody else has found this yet. Maybe if you did, you don't have to watch this, but if you don't know how to rearrange them, I had all my 10th grade classes, which I don't teach till the second half of the year, on this line, and all the classes I'll need for the first half of the year were down here, and it was annoying. So what I discovered was going to my courses over here, and then right there, reorder courses. Even though this is how they appeared originally, ignore this, because when you click here, you get to rearrange them all. So just slide on down, take something from down here, move it on up, zoop, 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 all that kind of stuff. But I'm going to leave that right there for now. Also, you see it says courses that appear below this line will not appear in your main screen in your drop down. So anything that is coming up later in the second semester, or just something like this that says this course is no longer in use, you can leave that below the line. Everything up here will be in the order that you present it on this page, will show on your main screen. So I hope that helped everybody. There's my dog. Let's go back and double check courses. Yep, the way I want them, right there. And again, you can rearrange these using that page. Hope that helped. It helped me. Try out Screencast-O-Matic. Thanks. Hope you enjoy this.